This is going to be an unboxing and review of the new Amiko Mini 4K Ultra HD S2X free satellite receiver. And out of the box, you receive the 12-volt power supply, manual, remote, HDMI cable. This is a remote sensor in case you wanted to hide the receiver behind a cabinet or a door, although I personally don't prefer to do that. The receiver itself is a nice size, very sleek looking. There's the plugs for the remote sensor. 2 USB ports on the side. On the back, we have the L&B input, RCA video jacks for a little more flexibility in terms of installation, HDMI out, and Ethernet if you want to hardwire this to your home internet network. And here it is installed over at the TV. You can see the nice new remote design, and it's connected with an HDMI, and I've got it connected to my dish right here. And here we are now at the main menu. Let's install the satellite here. We'll go to installation and satellite installation. And all of the satellites are pre-installed in the Amiko Mini S2X. You can see them all here. That's one of the convenient things about this receiver, is that it's real easy for beginners to get into the hobby without having to know how to set up satellites and transponders in their receiver. And I'm just going to start with satellite 103 West here. So on my setup, I have a dissect switch because I have multiple dishes that I am routing to this receiver. So I'm going to go down to this menu here, to the dissect menu, and pick 404. That's the port that my 103 West dish is on. You can see the signal meter comes right up there. We're getting a very strong signal. So we'll go ahead and, before we do that, actually, we're just going to verify our L&B is correct. If we're getting this kind of signal, it probably is. Yeah, 10750 is your standard L&B setting for a KU band dish. So we'll leave that as it is. And we'll hit the white button, which is the blind scan. And pressing the OK button brings up your channel guide. Pressing the EPG button on the remote brings up this picture-in-picture view of your channel guide. To record a program, simply insert a USB drive into one of the side slots on the receiver. This is the message that appears when you plug a USB drive in. And pressing the record button once begins recording the program you're currently tuned to. And when you're finished recording, press the stop key on the remote. Select yes. And to retrieve your recording, press the menu key. Select the media menu, press OK. And now click OK to go into the record menu. And here's the program we just recorded. Press the OK button and you can play it back. And when you're finished, press stop and use the back arrow to exit out of the menu. And an even quicker way to access your recordings is to press the media button on the remote. Pressing the information button once brings up this menu. Pressing it twice brings up this menu, and then hit the red button for a more detailed look at your transponder frequency, symbol rate, polarity, and other information about the channel and satellite you're tuned to. Sometimes on free satellite TV, you might go to a channel and realize it has no sound. Well, pressing the red button on your remote brings up this audio track menu that allows you to select the correct audio track so you'll have picture and sound on that channel. So some quick final thoughts about this receiver. The remote is extremely responsive. No lagging in terms of recording and retrieving recordings from the USB drive. The picture quality is excellent, and the tuner sensitivity, as I've come to expect from Amiko receivers, is extremely sensitive. No problems picking up any channels. And this receiver also having the capability of 4K picture, probably a great receiver to pick up going into the future of television.